Oh, hey there. Hi. Welcome back to the channel. It's another day cooking in the kitchen with Heidi. Today we are making tacos al pastor. Oh my God, Heidi, why don't I make tacos al pastor all the time? Let me tell you why, because it's extremely time consuming and homegirl's got a lot of things to do with her time. I'm gonna make like a slow roasted pork taco because tacos are legit one of my favorite things to make. So yeah, follow along, let's get started. This recipe is a little lengthy, but it's worth the wait. Like when I say it's worth the wait, I mean, oh my God, this is going to be probably the best tacos you've ever made from scratch. You can buy them like pre-seasoned, but if you make this sauce yourself, it just comes out so delicious. Here's what you're gonna need for it. 3 to 4 pounds of pork shoulder or pork butt, whatever you want. To need about 10 guajillo chili peppers. You're going to need about 1 1/4 pound plum tomatoes, 8 garlic cloves, and about half a peeled pineapple or a can of peeled pineapples. I'm using both. 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 to 3 whole cloves or about 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 lime, and about 1 to 2 onions. And those are all your ingredients, but we're not done yet. We gotta get our tomatoes, quarter them, and then core them so that we take out the center. It's a little acidic and we're gonna get acidity from the pineapple juice and lime juice. Then we're gonna get our onions, chop those bad boys up, get our garlic cloves, peel them, and you could just leave them whole. Get your pineapple juice, lime juice, and then everything's kind of ready set. So those are all of the ingredients you need for tacos al pastor. You know, you could cheat it. You could buy the pork shoulder or like pork already seasoned, but I like to take the little extra steps so that I get that like extra flavor, you know? I have my chili guajillos. You get about 10 of them. And then you get your Dutch oven, which is on medium high. And you pop them in here. 10. Don't make this difficult, Heidi. Just start toasting. Just enough. Or give me like a bag and a half of these, okay? And toast it up. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's very fragrant. Okay, so the peppers have been cooking for a hot minute, and now they're all like nice and toasted. And I'm just gonna take the little like tops off, and then add the rest of the ingredients because they are almost ready to be made into a sauce. So that's on medium. And then from here, I'm just going to get my wooden spatula, mix it up, and then add my cored tomatoes. So add that in there, mix that up. Then I'm going to add my 2 onions, and then I'm going to add all of my garlic. I know, it's a lot. 1 teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of cloves, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1, finished off with some azúcar, sugar. Back, relax. Well, don't totally sit back and relax because then it'll burn and your whole house will smell like smoke. Not that I just did that, but yeah, kind of sit back, relax, let this cook for a hot minute before we add the liquids. Letting it cook will bring out the flavor of the spices and just make everything come together deliciously. Then get ready to add your liquid. And while I'm doing this, I'm actually going to be chippity chopping my pork shoulder so that it can get quickly marinated. We're gonna finish off the sauce. So after you let the ingredients cook for a little bit, you're gonna add your wet ingredients like the pineapple juice, the lime juice, and the water. Let that cook until it's a little bit of a stew consistency. Then you're gonna pop it in the blender and blend it all until smooth. Once you blended everything to a smooth consistency, it should look something like this. Put it through a fine mesh sieve and then make sure the marinade cools down. You wanna make sure it's cool so that it doesn't cook the pork. From there, you're gonna let it marinate 2 to 6 hours. You can do it overnight if you want to go crazy. I don't care. Surprise me. Now, after it marinates, you're ready to start grilling. So, woo! We're going to try to bust this recipe out. And that's that. Been marinating. I got my pork. This is a lot of pork. It's basically an entire pork shoulder that has been marinating. I'm going to cook it on the foreman. You know what they say, no glove, no love. Get ready for the pork. Coating, and then we just start going. Woo! You guys hear that sizzle? I'm so good at cooking. Sometimes I don't like it because I get lazy. Oh God. I just need a private chef. Like, I know how to make all these recipes. It's just like, do I want to? I do. There you go. So while this bad boy is heating, we're gonna top it off. Close the lid. That's all she wrote. Okay, that's a little loud. There are tortillas. Put them on the side. We're gonna cook those in a hot second later. Okay, I legit had to change outfits because I took another hit. And word to the wise, don't wear anything cute or that you like. Once the pork is finally done cooking, you're going to let your meat rest for a hot second. Then you're ready to start assembling your tacos. Oh my God, they're so delicious. Seriously, this meat looks perfect. Oh my God, I'm ready to start assembling the tacos. So you're going to get your pork and you're going to chop it up into tiny pieces. Then from there, you're going to put your pork into corn tortillas, topped with fresh pineapple, fresh cilantro, fresh salsa, and that's all. Then you're done. You just get it, top it in the tortilla, top it with some pineapple, top it with some cilantro, and then wham bam, thank you ma'am, you got yourself some al pastor tacos. Okay, I gathered up my taco. I have my pork, cilantro, pineapple, and the last thing you do is you garnish it off with some fresh squeezed lime juice. Yummy. And then, woo! We're done! We're done! We're done! Yes! Okay, finally. It's a little bit time consuming. I lied. It's actually very, stop it! You enjoy, guys, and that, my friends, is how you make an easy peasy al pastor recipe. You guys should all try it out. I absolutely love this recipe. It's fun for like a taco night, and then once you're done cooking the pork, it's like really easy. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and yeah, bye guys.